Why do you have an issue with me saying welding and hip hop? Why do you have an issue with me saying black welders? Because I'm talking about my people. I don't have no problem with you being a welder. You think I'm singling you out because I didn't say different colors? I'm black, man. I'm concerned about my people. Now, I salute all welders, but I'm trying to encourage my people to do better, learn better, get more out of life. So when I speak and I'm addressing, I'm talking to my people. So this conversation might not be for you. You don't look like me, but you can still learn a lot from me. But I'm trying to help my people. But I'm willing to help anybody. But I'm helping mine first. All gone.